And joining me on the show tonight is Anubha Srivastav Sahai. She's a lawyer and president of India White Parents Association. We're also joined by Kapil Gupta, CEO of NEETPrep.com. We'll also have with us Professor Ashish Mahindra, Education Counselor, in just a moment. Hear from Professor Ashish Mahindra. Professor Mahindra, what feedback have you been getting since the time this decision was announced by the Education Minister? Mr. Gupta seems to think it's a very good move. The uncertainty is over. Students finally know when they're going to be writing this exam. What are students telling you? Are a majority of them happy with this decision or not?
Good evening, ma'am. Thanks for inviting today. And this is the most welcome decision by almost all the students. And we are getting a lot of call from students. There was a lot of panic regarding the date, and uncertainty increased when our last education minister was changed. Then they were expecting what could be the date. There was some rumors it can be again on 1st of August or maybe a mid of August. But we were more or less convinced that the exam will be in September only because by seeing the pandemic, I think the safest zone is the August and September for all the exam. And because August is already too much engaged, lot of board exam are going to be held, improvement exam, JEE, and lot of exams. So we are also on the conclusion that there are high possibility of September, maybe first week or September second week. Finally, they concluded on second week. That is, I think, one of the best decision our education minister has taken, and most of the students are already satisfied by this decision.
Okay, it's interesting. Before I go back to Anubhaji, who in a sense represents the parents, Professor Mahindra, what would you say to the parents who continue to be concerned? You know, that's the trouble here, because these are very unusual times. I just want to put that question to Professor Mahindra before I go back to Anubhaji. So, both Professor Mahindra and Kapil Gupta telling us that the students are welcoming this decision. But what would you say to the parents who continue to be concerned, some of whom may even now be telling their children, your life and safety are more important than an exam? Maybe you can consider taking it next year, especially if the student is not fully vaccinated by the time of this exam.
Ma'am, still there is little confusion regarding the vaccination. Students are asking that is the this a protocol we have to follow, but there is no such guideline because most of the students are less than 17-year-old, and still the trial is going on in our country, and still they are not vaccinating less than 18-year-old students, and that is the main thing. The issue is, I don't think there will be any protocol as such for vaccination, but the only thing government can do that can increase the center, the social distancing should be followed properly, because this year approx 18 lakh students are going to give the exam. So numbers are high. Compared to them, the center should be at least double from the last year. If it's not possible, then they have to do at least.
Okay, there have to be many more centers. Well, it's already been announced. I can tell you that there will be more centers. Whether the number will be doubled, we don't know yet. But Anubhaji, Professor Mahindra makes a valid point. So far, there are no vaccines for children in this country, right? It's only adults, those who are above the age of 18, who are eligible for vaccination. We don't know when vaccines for children are going to be finally available. And he says that most of the students who are going to be writing these exams are under the age of 18, because these are undergraduate courses for which the eligibility test is going to be held. Let me go back to Professor Mahindra at this point. Professor Mahindra, now talking about the JEE main exams, and I know that there's a huge controversy today with students complaining about how there's just a one-day gap between the third attempt and the fourth attempt, and there should have ideally been 20-day gap. It's something that you've also tweeted about. You might want to weigh in on that. And at the same time, the number of questions for the JEE main exams per section is now going to be increased to allow more internal choice. Do you believe this is going to happen with NEET as well?
Ma'am, there was a discussion from last 2 years. First of all, to reduce the subject course for NEET, and secondly, there was a discussion to go for online. Actually, there was a long discussion from last 2 years. First of all, there should be a change in the curriculum, which is not possible till now. And the government is thinking due to pandemic, it is being delayed. Secondly, there was a long discussion to go like JEE, it should be online. But because the number is double the number if you compare for engineering, and this year around 16 to 18 lakh students are going to appear. So conducting online exam for 18 lakh students is practically almost impossible in current situation. Maybe later they will find a way out.
Okay.
So that's why there is a still a discussion going on. Let's see how government and new education minister in future change this scenario for
Okay,
conducting
so
exam.
what
Yeah, more
will the
conveniently.
exam pattern be? I think that is still not clear. There is going to be a different pattern adopted for JEE main exams. Will that apply to NEET as well? We will find out. We have